Hello everyone, and you are watching Caterpillar Network. In today's video, we're going to have a little bit review at Barbie Made to Move, the blue top and the brunette one. So we're going to look at the back of the bag. So there was three of them. I think it was four, but there was three of them. The purple top, the pink top, and of course the blue top. And for the ages 3 and above. So let's get out of that. Okay, she's finally out of the box, but there was a problem with her hair. It was pretty waxy, and I don't know, I think it is wax after all. It was pretty stiff. You think you would feel like it has glue in it. However, we have a special remedy for that. She has no problem with her articulation, made to move articulation. So yeah, let's get her a special hair makeover. So we will be needing a warm water and towel and your hair conditioner. Oops, sorry. Okay, so I'm gonna soak her hair right here in the warm water. Carefully massage it. And we're gonna soak it for like 3 minutes. And after that, we're gonna put a conditioner in her hair. Carefully massage it.
I want you to show me how to get to know someone like you.
And if you want to, guys, you can check our how to take care of your doll's hair video. I'm just gonna put a description right there.
We can be true. I want you to see what I see in us.
Keep massaging it.
So real,
And after that,
so real.
we're gonna wash it again with warm water.
We both feel that we both
Oh, it's really warm. And we will dry it with some towel. Carefully. It's not sticky at all. And after that, we are going to brush your hair. Carefully right here at the back. And that's it. You're done having her special hair care treatment. Okay, so don't forget to give us a thumbs up, and you can follow us on Instagram at Caterpillar Network, and of course, don't forget to subscribe. We will see you next time to our next video. See you guys. Bye.